Dear teachers and students, let's learn how to create a learning material for your class and subject. Tap Library menu. Make sure that your class and subject is selected on the top. Now you can go to the Content menu. Tap this green icon, plus icon. If you want to add a new folder, you can do Folder. You can create all the chapters that you want to have in your this class and subject, chapter 6. Now you have these many chapters, chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to add a learning material in any of these chapters, tap this 3 dot, add a learning material. There are 5 types of learning material that you can create and share with the class. Share a learning material. Now add a title. Here you can add the content. You can add any content that if you want. This is the topic. You can add the topic here. You can add content in this page. Now let's go back. Let's see an existing learning material. We have lots of learning material here. Now let's go and select this one. Tap to add content. If you want to add a content from the gallery, you can do gallery and then select the image here. Now this image is here. If you want to add a link, do link here. If you want to add a video link, you can do a video link also. And if you want to add a image directly from the camera, you can click on camera. If you want to do recording of audio, then you can click on audio. If you want to add a text content again, here you can do text content. Once you have created all the content, then you can simply go back to the top and tap on save. This will take some time to save the learning material. When you have your all learning material ready, you can tap on share icon. Then again you can do class first, subject, English, and then with class. Once learning material has been shared with the class, all students or your classmates will go to the Learn menu, and here they can see the list of all the chapters that has been assigned to this class and this subject here. You can scroll to the next chapter, then again go back, second chapter, all the chapters. If you want to like a chapter, you can simply tap on this heart icon. If you want to discuss with your classmates, you can tap on this small icon discussion. Here you can discuss with the classmates about this learning material. If you have any question that you want to ask teacher, you can ask here also. Discuss about this material. Now go back. If you want to make sure that you want to read this learning material after some time, then if you want to bookmark it, then you can do to read, have read, reading now, helpful for the students. You can do have read. And if you want to just change the status, you can again go back and you can do reading now. So this is how you're going to see all the learning material that has been assigned by your teacher, or you can create and assign to yourself. Thank you.